Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? In this video, I will share with you my top 5 spring lipstick. If you're interested in seeing this video and seeing what colors I've been loving and brand, then stay tuned and keep watching this video. All right. So, talk about lips. If you already see, I already lined my lips, and the color or the pencil that I use is from MAC. You guys already know my favorite pencil or lip pencil is from MAC, and this one is the Night Moth from MAC, and it's a shade of purple, and I use this lip pencil with almost all of my lipstick. Yes, regardless of what color or shade I have, I'm really just love the application. It goes on really smoothly. I'm not tugging my lips. It's really moist, I must say. And if you can see it there, look at that. Beautiful color. I use it like, could be a brown for me. But it's actually like a purple mauve looking color. Anyway, if this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and subscribe, share these videos, like these videos. On this channel, I do product reviews, I do vlogs, and I share my monthly favorites product with you guys. Also, just in case you guys are in the market and want to take something, check something, add something to your arsenal, you know what I'm loving and if you want to try it. All right, so without further ado, let's go right into the video. This is in no specific order, just my 5 lipstick that I've been really loving for spring. And the first one is from AJ Crimson. You guys already know how much I love AJ Crimson. I was one of his model at one point. That was a good opportunity. And this shade that I'm coming with today is the Sip Tea. Yes, Sip Tea. And I love this color. And yes, I will be trying it on. So it's really a dark burgundy with a black undertone. So if you're actually my skin tone, it really will works very well on you. So let's see what it looks like. That is the color. Yes, and what I love about this lipstick is it's very moist. I know they have to be shea butter, some shea butter ingredients. Although I did moisturize my lip, of course, with my favorite lip moisturizer, and I got these from Amazon. You can just order a lot. All right, so that is the first color, and isn't that a beautiful color? Yes, I just really love the pigment. I love the shade. It matches well with my skin tone. It's not too loud, although you guys already know that I do love loud colors. But this is so beautiful and just so modest and so classy. So yeah, let's move on to the next color. And it's none other than the MAC Matte Lipstick in Irwin. This is what the shade looks like. Yes, look at that. So some more purple on that purple side. So let's see what it looks like. So that is that shade, and tell me if that is not beautiful. I love it. So you know you're gonna be wearing all this color because it's springtime. We get to wear all our reds, yellow, green, whatever color, like what I'm wearing. And especially with this, look at all these lipstick match very well. It's not too loud and it just blends really. It just enhances what I'm wearing, right? Yes. So I love this, and all of these lipstick, they're so moist. And again, this is a really good lip moisturizer. So I love this, love this, love this. Always gonna have this in my arsenal. It's amazing. Let's move on to the next color. Yeah. All right, so the next shade is on the nude side, and you guys already know how much I talk about this color from AJ Crimson. And it's that color there. I think this is a really beautiful color for any skin tone, any skin tone. I don't think you gotta be a specific skin tone to wear this. And the moisture in this is beyond. I'm all about trying to keep my lip moist because I do have dryness on my lips for some reason, especially in the corners. I guess I need some more liquid, but so I'm all about keeping my lip moist, and these lipsticks works perfect for that. So let's get right into the next color. And this one from AJ Crimson is No Shade. Yeah, that's the name of the color, No Shade. Let's move right in. No Shade. Look at that color. Is that the perfect nude or what? And I just love it. What y'all think? Leave a comment below if you're enjoying this video and loving my selection so far. Yes, leave a comment below. You better be loving my selection. Yeah. All right, so let's talk about the next lipstick, and it's none other than the Candy Yummy Yum from MAC. I love this color. I know you guys hear I talk about this before. I don't wear it as much, but because it's spring and it's color, I'm here for it. So let's see what Candy Yum Yum got. It's bright, guys. Yes, it is bright. So let's try that on. Alright, so that is the color, guys. And you can see that I love an ombre look. Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? Amazing. Yes. Love it. Now my final color, guys. And no, I did not save the best for last. But this is one of my favorite too, and I'll tell you why. All right, so this is the color, and tell me if you guys are not dying. Yes. Look at that. And this color is by AJ Crimson, yes, and this is Go Off. I'm about to go off. Go off. The reason why I really love this lipstick, I want to come closer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Do you see those shimmer? Do you see? Love it. Do you see that shimmer? I love it because of the shimmer. It may be not everybody's cup of tea, and I understand, but it's my cup of tea and some other people's cup of tea, yes. So I love this color because it has a shimmer, and another thing, the taste, it has a mint taste. So your lip is always gonna smell minty, freshy. In the event you're out all day, you have not eaten and really talk much, and your mouth is about to go AY, the smell of this lipstick really keeps it fresh. These are my top 5 favorite lipsticks for spring. Yes, so if you are looking for some shade to add to your arsenal, go out and check out these. You can find AJ Crimson lipsticks on his website, ajcrimson.com. Or you can check out MAC. Of course, we all know where the MAC counters are, and see some new shades or pick up some of these shades that I cover in this video. That is all that I have, guys. Without further ado, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share these videos, like these videos, give me a comment or leave a comment below and let me know how much you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys want to see more of these videos, and I'll definitely get them going. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below and I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye guys.